Meet Sublistar 6008 Turbo Industrial DTF Printing System, designed for uninterrupted 24/7 industrial production while providing wide color gamut. Powered by 8 Epson precision printheads, the DTF-6008 Turbo reaches speeds up to 62 square meters per hour, helping factories produce more in less time. The staggered printhead arrangement ensures seamless ink overlapping and wider image coverage per pass, delivering enhanced printing efficiency, sharper details, and consistently stable print quality. For color performance, it supports customized multicolor printing solutions, including fluorescent colors. With up to 13 ink channels, it brings richer gradients and more creative print effects. To keep production stable, the auto inline cleaning system performs regular nozzle cleaning, helping reduce clogging and daily maintenance time. Equipped with automatic white ink circulation system and premium Japan 3M ink filters, the DTF-6008 Turbo maintains smooth ink flow, effectively reduces sediment buildup and minimizes nozzle clogging. The advanced pass system supports 500 jumbo film rolls, ensuring smooth, stable, and accurate media feeding during long production runs. Effectively prevents film drifting, wrinkling, and misalignment. Electric butterfly wing oven doors open with one touch, providing full access for fast inspection, effortless maintenance, and reduced downtime. Powered by industrial PLC control system with a full-color touchscreen delivering smarter control, easier operation, and greater production consistency. With multi-printer manager, one computer can control multiple printers, making production management faster and more efficient. From t-shirts and hoodies to sportswear and bulk transfer orders, the DTF-6008 Turbo is built for factories that need reliable, high-volume production. Speed, stability, and advanced color performance. This is what makes the DTF-6008 Turbo more than just a high-speed printer. Sublistar DTF-6008 Turbo. Industrial DTF printing solution. Built for speed, stability, and scalable production.